would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. So we are meeting for the very first time. So I am Provas. I am connecting from right now in Mandardiga Sea Beach, and I am living in Purulia, West Bengal, Purulia.
Okay.
Okay, and I have a small family. I have completed my graduation in 2017, and yeah, I have a hobby to playing football and reading books, connecting new people from and a little bit from traveling. I have interesting. Yeah, that's all about for me.
Okay. When did you start learning it, bro?
Yeah, because in this generation era, we know all over the world or all over the country importance of in this language. So that's why I am learning. I
Yeah, yeah,
want to know something, or I want to know different lot of things in this language.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So please introduce yourself. I love to know yourself.
Yes, yes, of course. My name is Seekhen. I am from UP.
Okay.
Yeah, and I like playing badminton and reading English books, watching English
Okay.
cartoons and international English news channels, especially for the purpose of improving my English and learning some new
Okay.
sentences and words.
Oh,
And if I talk about my education, I am postgraduate in English and I have
okay.
learned British and American English from foreign teachers.
Okay.
That's a summarized intro of mine.
Okay. That's wonderful introduction for yourself.
Yeah, actually, here on this platform, we have to introduce ourselves many times,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So now
Actually,
what's the weather right there in UP?
weather.
Weather.
Yeah, yeah, it is cold. You can see.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a lot of cold weather, but in this right time I walk on the beach, so that's why I'm coming lonely in the beach, and I thought talk to someone. I have to watch my view from, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why I'm coming. Yeah.
And in this way, you can improve your English too,
Oh yes, right.
because it is very tough to find a person who can speak English.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, even the same kind of problem happens with me. Even I do not have anyone for talking.
Yeah. Sometime I have starting this learning process in lockdown period, but I didn't continue my process. So whenever I get after in this 2023 or this years, I have learning this language. Whenever I get a chance or free time, I talk to in this application. I before I have never such a experience on video call lot of, but I took few sessions in video call, but in audio call I have a lot of audio call. Yeah,
Yeah. On which app have you talked on audio call?
yeah, I have talked in body talk, open talk. Yeah, open
Do you
talk
know?
application. Yeah,
Do you know Hybro app?
yeah. I sometime I have used hi bro.
Okay. Actually, I have also used that for talking to
Okay,
different. Yeah.
okay.
You know, I talk some people from Andhra Pradesh and
Okay.
somewhere from Himachal Pradesh, like this.
Yeah, most of the in hybrid application, most of the in South Indian. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have talked to those kind of people,
Hmm.
and it was even at present I can say it is a very good kind of platform for doing the
Yes. Right.
practice,
Yeah.
right? And now, if we talk about this app, Skype, it is also free, so we can talk to anyone here.
Yeah. It's a we have removed our hesitation in this application. Yeah. First time we have a lot of hesitation we didn't face with people too much time. I take
Yeah,
1 minute, only 2 minutes. Yeah. Then I have extend my. I didn't extend my call, and I cut down. And now a few months later, I have to remove my hesitation, and I have removed my fear. So yeah, that's a great application for myself.
yeah. For everyone, even as I told you that even I was not able to find any person for speaking English.
Right.
When I came to know about this app at that time, I became very happy.
Oh, yeah. So in the there are three. I think there are three group. In there are 500. I think. Oh, each one group have a 500. Yeah,
Yeah,
500 partner. You can choose. But yeah, many of people have didn't talk to. So that's why
yes,
I'm messaging a lot of people, but they didn't available and didn't
yeah,
talk to. They, many people want to talk with girls. Yeah,
yeah.
that's the
Yes, and
big issue. Yeah.
this is the biggest problem. It happens. Yeah,
Mm.
but
But
since
it, yeah, but it no, we have to continue our processing with learning. Yeah,
yeah, actually, our motive is to
mm,
practice English, and it
right.
does with whom we are practicing.
Yes, it is no matter what we in front of people, we have a one motive to learn this language.
Yeah, yeah, we should practice. That's it.
Mm,
And
right.
I think from here
Okay. So
because practice can be done
you got
at any.
you you got married?
No, no, no. Sorry, I'm not married. Your video got stuck, bro. Your video was not working.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much. Next time we will meet again. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Network problem. There is network problem.
Okay.
That's why we cannot talk
Okay.
properly.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next time we will meet again. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Please send the video.